Just got my Ultra Game package. So first thing is this, which I love. Look at this. It's like a cute crop top for the Eagles. So cute. And it's so soft. Like, it is so soft. Another one for the Eagles. Okay, I can already tell that this is gonna be one of my go-tos, simply because the material is like really warm. So through winter, like if I go to the store or anything like that, like this will be my go-to, just like grab, throw on, and go. That way I know I'm gonna be warm and fashionable. Look at that on the arm. I love that. And perfect for fall. Absolutely perfect. Ooh. Look at this, LA Chargers. I love this. It's like tie-dye. One of my favorite things I used to do in high school was change the strings in sweatshirts so it like looks different. So this is so me. I love this. And then it looks like, oh, leggings. Look at that. They're actually full length, so they stretch a lot. It's super cute. I love those. And they have like a stripe down the side. Super cute. Thank you, Ultra Game. I'm so excited.